As you can see here, this is the Makey Makey circuit board. This wire is connected to this banana. So when you're in a game, when you press this banana, you'll move forward. And if you can see on the circuit board, the arrow is pointing that way. So when you plug it in, you put it into that one. If you follow this orange wire, it comes to this banana, which makes it go that way. And the arrow is pointing that way. If you follow this wire, it's the opposite, so it goes that way in your game. And the last wire is the yellow one, which is connected to this one. This one will make you go backwards. The last one is this gray wire, which when you're, the green wire, it makes you jump up and down. Now it's the last wire, this gray one, you have to be holding in your hand. And I'll control my character. This is Roblox. These two bananas right here makes it like rotate like that, so then you can run that direction. And then backwards. And then this is just rotates it. This way, forward, backwards, jump.